Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm going to take you on a walkthrough through our really nice, newly traded in Yamaha SX190. It's a 2017. This boat comes with the trailer that you see it sitting on. Fantastic boat here with the step swim deck area to hang out. Beautiful outside of this boat. It's in great condition as I walk around and show you this boat. Some profiles of it here. Alright, now getting in the boat here. Nice step through on the boat. Has the full nice little playpen seating area back here. Has the really nice dual captain's chairs for both people, very comfortable when you're riding and driving. It's got the nice brand new snapping carpet. I actually just took it right out of the packaging. It's never been used before. Got the big dash over here for storage. Nice big wide front open bow here for seating. Real comfortable. Got the speakers, cup holders. A fantastic boat for your family. You can do water sports, wakeboard, tube, ski. Very easy to drive. It's got the no wake mode, so it makes it real easy in low speed conditions. This is a wonderful, wonderful boat. Come on out, check out this 2017 SX190 Greenville in MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Or you can call us at 864-236-9005 or check us out on the website at MarineMaxGreenville.com. Come and check out this wonderful